15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, 60. Flat left 5 half long, C 100 down the middle. Right over small crest into right 4, opens. 40 down. Absolute flat right in over crest, and down left 4 long in and carry and care right 2 in, tightens. Left 1 plus long, tightens. Yeah. 170 up. Left 3 long, tightens, immediate hairpin left. Hairpin left. And hairpin right. Into flat right 4 long at 60, turn hairpin left. In. And flat right, flat left. 40, left 4 opens over small crest, okay, and flat right 5 line, 100 up, left into hairpin right uphill, don't cut, deceptive, and flat left 5, continues for 80, into flat right line, 60, flat right of a small crest, 40, left 2 long in through junction, don't cut, 40, left 2 long in through the junction, turn right 5, into left 2 in, 40 down, left 4 long in and carry, and down, turn, tidy hairpin right. .130. Left 1 line and carry it lane. And flat left 6 of a small crest. 40, left 4, tightens in of a crest bump. 60 down, braking, open hairpin left, long, nips. In. Into right 2 long in. Into flat right 6 in over crest, into left 4 in and carry lots, 80, small crest and hairpin right downhill, in past the lane, 170 down, left 4 in and carry, don't cut, 150 down. To open right 3 in, tightens over small crest. Wait, open right 3 in, tightens over small crest. 40, flat left 5 half long from the junction, and absolute flat right in. 60 up, left 1 long, and slippy, flat right 5 long. 60 up, flat left 6 of a bump, okay. C, 80, uphill, flat right of a small crest, okay, 40, left 4, continues 100, tightens to late, left 2 long, in, into right 2 in, into left 3 plus in, and left 2 in, open hairpin right drive, into left 1 in, opens, 60 through the post, turn tidy square left in, and right 3 in, into left 3 line in gear, and left 6 long into absolute flat right, into middle of a flat small crest long and flat right 5 okay, 100 to go to absolute flat right in, 80, care, turn, hairpin right, don't cut, 130 up, go, out of here, middle of an absolute flat crest, 250 flat, chicane, left entry this time, tight chicane, .150 go, flat right C150, flat left 6 long line, 150, care left into slowing of a small crest, this is left 6 long, 150 go, care left into slowing of a small crest to left 2 opens, into flat left 4 long, and right of a small crest, 40, care left 5 tightens in over crest, watch this one, 40 down, right 5 in and line, 40, right 4 plus in, don't cut, into left 2 in, right 2 in, slowing, into hairpin right, tightens in, 40, left 1, well in over small crest, 40, left 1 in long, opens, 60, absolute flat right of a flat crest, okay, 8, 100 up, very slight left at middle of a big crest jump, very slight left at middle of a big crest jump, 100 down, care right 5 long, tightens, into hairpin right, in, 60 up, left 4, continues 100, tightens, into left 1, here, left 1, 60, absolute flat left, well done, 60, small crest into left 3 long in, small crest left 3 long in, into right 4 plus cutting gear, 200 go, left of middle of a small jump and right 5 in, into care, left 4 in slowing into braking, sudden turn hairpin right, .40 down, left 4 stay in, 40 turn square right, .250, right 3 in over crest, repeat right 3 in over crest, 60 down, right 3 over crest, 100 down, flat left 5, continues 100, tightens to left 2 in over small crest, don't cut, and down, right 5 in, 40 down, right 5 long, don't cut carry, and flat left in over crest, 130 down, flat left in over small crest, and right 4 in half long, and go, flat left in over crest, 40, absolute flat right okay, 80, absolute flat right long at bench okay, 130 down, slight care, right 3 half long in, don't cut, do not cut this one, 130 down, fast left 2 in over crest, past junction, 150 down, absolute flat right left, 80 down, tight left 3 in, into right 6, continues 100, tightens okay, 60 over flat crest. Right 4 in and carry okay, 40, left 4 long in, nips, 40, left 4 past the shed, carry lots, 100, brake early and straight for turn hairpin left. Up. Care, turn tight hairpin right to the bails. Turn hairpin right between the bails. And a left 3. Okay, into flat right 5. 150 up the middle. Turn hairpin left, tightens. 200 up, flat. Right 4 in. And left 2, cut in. Tightens to the junction, cut out. 130 up. Flat right 5, gear. Okay, line 40 up, left 6, continues 100, into left 3, in and carry, right 4 plus, 40 up, flat left long opens, 40 right 3 plus, 60, turn fast right 3, cut, 40, absolute flat left, continues 130, in, and right 4, in and carry lots, 40, absolute flat left, continues 170, into open right 4, in over finish, repeat right 4, in over finish, 200, left 5 to stop.